Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? Take a look at this 2018 Volkswagen Passat R-Line in deep black pearl. With automatic headlamps, electronic stability control, 18-inch aluminum wheels, brake assist, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, only 34,000 miles on the odometer, a 6.3-inch touchscreen display, a rear backup camera, Sirius XM radio, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, and it's all powered by a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 6571A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.